Welcome back my YouTube channel. I am telling about for this coin overview. The coin in question is the 50 cent piece issued by France in the year 1999. Although denominated in euros, this particular coin belongs to the first year of minting for euro coins, prepared ahead of the euro currency's full entry into circulation on January 1st, 2002. Understanding its history requires covering a number of contexts: the introduction of the euro, the French national coinage tradition, the design and specifications of the coin, its minting and circulation, and its place among collectors today. Below is a detailed account of the coin's history, design, technical details, context, and numismatic interest. Historical context: introduction of the euro and coinage preparation. 1.1 The Eurozone and the euro's introduction. The euro was established as a currency unit by the European Monetary Institute in 1999 in non-physical form, and banknotes and coins began circulating on January 1st, 2002 in the participating countries. The euro replaced the national currencies of the initial Eurozone members. This meant that from 1999 onward, many member states began minting euro coins and sometimes banknotes in advance to build up stock for the eventual physical switchover. For France, this included the minting of coins dated 1999 and other early years ahead of circulation. The common side of euro coins, value and map of Europe, and national sides, country-specific designs, were designed in this transitional period. 1.2 France's coinage tradition and preparation for euro coins. France, with its long tradition of coinage, including the Marianne, Sower, etc., prepared for the changeover from the franc to the euro. While the national currency at the time was the French franc, the French mint, Monnaie de Paris, began striking euro coins, though not yet circulating, so that once 2002 arrived, the country could smoothly adopt the euro system. 100 million plus coins of different denominations were minted in 1999-2001 to build up inventory and launch supplies. For the French 50C piece, for example, the mintage for 1999 alone was 105.75 million. 1.3 Y coins dated 1999 and 2001 exist, although physical euro circulation began in 2002. This is a question often asked by coin collectors. Why does a coin dated 1999 exist though the euro only physically circulated from 2002? The answer lies in production planning. Member states minted euro coins in advance, bearing early dates, so that supplies were ready when cash circulation began. The date on the coin reflects the year of minting, not necessarily the year of widespread circulation. Thus, the French 50 cent coin dated 1999 was largely intended for circulation beginning 2002, or for distribution to banks and mint stock, rather than for immediate use in 1999. In France and many other countries, coins dated 1999-2001 exist for exactly that reason. 2. Specification and design of the French 50 cent coin, 1999. Here are the technical and artistic details of the French 50 cent coin for the first series, 1999-2006, as minted by France. 2.1 Technical specifications: denomination, 50 cents, 50 cents, composition, Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminium, zinc, and tin, specifically 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, 1% tin. Mass: 7.80 g diameter, 24.25 millimeters thickness, 2.38 millimeters edge. Milled, finely reeded, or scalloped. In many sources it states reeded or milled. Orientation: metal alignment, both sides upright, according to Numista. 2.2 Design: obverse, national French side. The obverse features a modern adaptation of the iconic Sower motif, in French, La Semouse, originally by Oscar Rodi, and now adapted by designer Laurent Joriot. The inscription RF stands for République Française. The coin's year, 1999, appears on the obverse. The mint mark of Monnaie de Paris appears as well, often a cornucopia symbol. Surrounding the motif are the 12 five-pointed stars representing the European Union. 2.3 design, reverse, common euro side. The reverse carries the common design for euro coins of that period. The large numeral 50, the words Eurocent, and to the left a map of Europe for the first map series, showing the EU member states of 1999, with 6 vertical lines ending in stars. The designer is Luc Louix. For the first map series, 1999 to 2006, the map shows the then 15 EU member states. The French coin uses that reverse for the 1999 version. 2.4 minting details mint. Paris, Monnaie de Paris, specifically PESAC facility for mass circulation coins. Privy marks, tiny symbols, may indicate the director of the mint, e.g., a B, 19992000, or horseshoe, 200120002, etc. Mintage, circulation coins, for 1999, 105,753,600 pieces. Additionally, for 1999, other mintages include uncirculated, 35,000, and proof, 15,000 sets. 3. France's 50 euro cent coin in the broader numismatic and circulation context. Circulation entry. Although minted in 1999 and subsequent years, the French 50 euro cent coin only entered circulation for the general public on January 1, 2002, when the euro began daily use in France. Before that, the coins might have been produced, stockpiled, and made available in special sets, but not widely used in commerce. Therefore, although the date on the coin is 1999, many such coins were first in normal usage in March 2, 2002 roll in daily transactions as a 50-cent coin 50 cents. This piece became part of everyday coinage in France, just like the franc previously had smaller denominations. It serves as one of the standard circulation denominations of the euro system. Over time, many were used, circulated, and acquired where, given the high mintage, many remain common in change. 3.3 mintage and availability. As mentioned, the 1999 batch numbered 105.75 million. This is a large quantity by numismatic standards, meaning the coin is not particularly rare for that year among circulating pieces. For subsequent years, mintages for France increased, e.g., 2000, 179.5 million. Because of these big numbers, the 1999 French 50-cent coin is considered very common among euro coins of its type. Consequently, the market value above face value is minimal, unless condition is exceptional or it is a proof/uncirculated specimen. For example, one catalog lists value for a 1999 French 50 cent in uncirculated condition at about 57 cents, near face value. 3.4 design changes and subsequent series. The French national side stayed with the Sower motif for the years 1999-2006, first map series. In 2007, the euro coin switched to the new common side design for the reverse map of Europe rather than just the EU states, and national sides remained, but updated. For France, the obverse remained largely the same until even later redesigns. Therefore, the 1999 coin is part of the first map era, 1999-2006, of euro coins. These coins are identifiable by the map showing the EU 15 and the Sower national side in France. 4. Art, symbolism, and national meaning. 4.1 The Sower motif. Therefore, the 1999 coin is part of the first map era, 1999-2006, of euro coins. These coins are identifiable by the map showing the EU 15 and the Sower national side in France. 4. Art, symbolism, and national meaning. 4.1 The Sower motif. The Sower, la semeuse, is a well-known symbol in French coinage, art, and culture. originally designed by Oscar Rohde in the late 19th/early 20th century. It depicts a young woman scattering seeds, symbolizing growth, hope, and the Republic's dynamism. For the euro coin, French designer Laurent Joriot adapted Rohde's motif to the modern coin. Thus, the national side conveys continuity with France's numismatic heritage while aligning with the new European currency. The placement of the sower on the euro coin suggests France's identity. France, which stays true to itself whilst integrating into Europe, interpreting the symbolism, point 4.2 the European stars and map the 12 five-pointed stars around the obverse reflect the European Union's symbol, flag. On the reverse, the map of Europe, EU15 at that time, and the value inscription show that the coin is part of the euro system, shared across national boundaries but with national sides retained. The design by Luc Louix underscores the balance between national identity and European integration. For point 3 alloy, Nordic gold, the choice of alloy, Nordic gold, is significant. Not pure gold, but a copper-dominated alloy used for durability and anti-counterfeiting. Its color is golden yellow, giving the coin a distinctive appearance in the circulation coin mix. Its technical and aesthetic properties reflect modern coin production considerations. 5. Numismatic interest and collecting aspects. 5.1 Common versus collector. As noted, the French 50-cent coin of 1999 is very common with over 100 million minted. Consequently, for the large part of circulating examples, the value remains near face value. For example, it is not realistic. That coin is a common 50-cent piece from France minted in 1999, and it is circulated. Its value is 50 cents. In other words, unless one finds an unusual variant, error coin, special mint mark, proof/uncirculated, the coin is largely of interest for completing national sets, mint years, or for educational purposes rather than high-value point 5.2 condition and special issues. The value of a coin rises with better condition, uncirculated, proof, rarity, low mintage, or notable errors, misstrikes, planchet mistakes. In the case of the 1999 French 50 cent, the huge mintage dilutes value in normal circulation. Catalogs list uncirculated specimens at very modest premiums, e.g., €0.57. Proof sets, presentation sets, or mint sets may carry higher value but still depend on collector demand. 5.3 Mint errors and rarities. Although not specific to the French 1999 50-cent coin, euro coins have experienced mint errors which become highly collectible. For instance, one article noted a French 50-cent coin minted on a 2-cent planchet, making it copper-colored, sold for hundreds of dollars. Collecting such error coins is a niche within numismatics. For the typical 1999 French 50 cent, unless such an error is confirmed, its value remains modest. 5.4 Collecting the first map series. Some collectors focus on the first map series of euro coins, 1999-2006, since they mark the initial era of euro coin minting. Within that theme, the French 1999 50 cent is a legitimate entry. Its early date, however, does not translate into rarity in this case. Nonetheless, for completionists, it is an important piece. 5.5 Tips for collectors. Always check condition, wear, scratches, toning, and whether the coin is truly uncirculated or proof. Confirm the date, mint mark, and any privy mark, e.g. director's mark, for French coins. For example, the B symbol was used in 1999-2000 at the Monnaie de Paris. Verify authenticity. Nordic gold has a distinctive color and feel. Counterfeit coins exist. Error coins can be interesting but require expert verification and provenance. Keep expectations realistic. For widely minted coins like this one, value above face is typically modest. Significance and legacy. 6.1 Symbol of European integration. The French 50 euro cent coin, 1999, stands as a tangible symbol of the shift from national currencies like the French franc to a shared European currency. It reflects the ambition of the European Union for deeper economic integration and unity, while respecting national identity, French national side. Its existence in 1999, pre-circulation, underscores the preparation and planning required for the changeover to the Euro. 6.2 continuity of French numismatic tradition by using the Sower motif, adapted from Oscar Rodé's earlier work. France inserted familiar national imagery into the new currency system. This continuity conveys that adopting the euro did not mean abandoning French iconography or heritage, but rather combining it with a broader European context. 6.3 Everyday circulation and economic role. As a standard 50-cent coin, the French 50 cent has been a workhorse of daily commerce since 2002. Paying for goods, giving change, minting in large numbers, and passing through millions of hands. While some collector coins are rare and luxurious, this is a coin of everyday USE.it reminds us that currencies are not only for high-value collectors but serve practical roles in economies. In summary, the 1999 French 50 euro cent coin is a well-documented, broadly minted piece belonging to the first series of euro coins. Its design, specifications, and mintage are well known. Because of its high mintage and common usage, it is not rare in circulation and typically holds a value close to its face value. Nevertheless, it holds historic significance, marking the transition to the euro, symbolizing French national identity in a European coinage context, and being part of the first wave of euro coinage. For collectors, it represents one of the foundational pieces of the euro era in France. If you own one in excellent condition, uncirculated, with original mint packaging, etc., it has more numismatic interest. But even a circulated specimen is a legitimate and meaningful part of modern European coin history. The euro was established as a currency unit by the European Monetary Institute in 1999 in non-physical form, and banknotes and coins began circulating on January 1, 2002 in the participating countries. The euro replaced the national currencies of the initial Eurozone members. This meant that from 1999 onward, many member states began minting euro coins and sometimes banknotes in advance to build up stock for the eventual physical switchover. For France, this included the minting of coins dated 1999 and other early years, ahead of circulation. The common side of euro coins, value and map of Europe, and national sides, country-specific designs, were designed in this transitional period. 1.2 France's coinage tradition and preparation for euro coins. France, with its long tradition of coinage, including the Marianne, Sower, etc., prepared for the changeover from the franc to the euro. While the national currency at the time was the French franc, the French mint, Monnaie de Paris, began striking euro coins, though not yet circulating, so that once 2002 arrived, the country could smoothly adopt the euro system. 100 million plus coins of different denominations were minted in 1999-2001 to build up inventory and launch supplies. For the French 50C piece, for example, the mintage for 1999 alone was 105.75 million. France, with its long tradition of coinage, including the Marianne, Sower, etc., prepared for the changeover from the franc to the euro. While the national currency at the time was the French franc, the French mint, Monnaie de Paris, began striking euro coins, though not yet circulating, so that once 2002 arrived, the country could smoothly adopt the euro system. 100 million plus coins of different denominations were minted in 1999-2001 to build up inventory and launch supplies. For the French 50C piece, for example, the mintage for 1999 alone was 105.75 million. 1.3 Y coins dated 1999 and 2001 exist, although physical euro circulation began in 2002. This is a question often asked by coin collectors. Why does a coin dated 1999 exist though the euro only physically circulated from 2002? The answer lies in production planning. Member states minted euro coins in advance, bearing early dates, so that supplies were ready when cash circulation began. The date on the coin reflects the year of minting, not necessarily the year of widespread circulation. Good luck and have a good day.